Hello everyone, thank you for joining this video. In today's video we are going to talk about the sacrifices of the people. You know, how many people sacrifice their money for the sake of the English language? How many people sacrifice their time for the sake of the English language? How many people sacrifice their sleep for the sake of the English language? How many people sacrifice their comfort for the sake of the English language? So today I'm asking you, are you sacrificing something? Are you leaving something just because of learning English language? To learn English language, so many people who want to learn English language, but when asked that how many things are you not doing, how many things are you not doing for this just because of English language, so they say that no, we are just learning and we are watching videos and we are just using our social media. We are watching so many videos and we are learning through this social media. Just the help of this social media we are learning so many things. There is no need to sacrifice something. No my friend, no. If you really want to learn English language, you have to sacrifice. You have to sacrifice very important things. You know, the people who want to learn English language, they sacrifice their precious things, their time, their money, their comfort zone, their sleep. You know, are you sacrificing your sleep time? Are you sacrificing? So in today's video we are going to face the challenge, and I mean you are going to face this challenge, you know. And it's not kind of challenge for those people who are doing it already. It's the challenge for those who want to learn English language, who want to just speak English language. It's a challenge for those people. So are you ready to face that challenge? Are you ready? So listen to me carefully. You know what, if you really want to learn English language, so let's see. First of all, just sleep the time at which you sleep. Okay, just sleep and just set the alarm in your phone. At which time do you want to wake up in the morning? Okay, so first of all, just set the alarm and just sleep, and say, just think in your mind and just say that tomorrow when I will wake up, so I will speak English language. I will practice of speaking English language. I will learn that. I will read this book. I will, whatever you will do, just because of English language, you will do that work. You will do that work just because of learning English language. Okay, set the alarm. Say to yourself that tomorrow I will wake up and I will do this one. I will do this work. I will read book. I will speak English language. I will learn this. I will learn that, and just sleep. Okay, so when you wake up in the morning, so we all have our two versions, like the weaker one and the stronger one. Okay, so when we wake up, so the weaker one says that just sleep, you still have time, so just sleep a little more, sleep. And the stronger one says that just get up and achieve your goal, do your task, complete your task and achieve your goal, whatever you want to do. So the people who are passionate, who have desire, who have burning desire to do something, to make the mark in the world, they will wake up and they will get up and they will start their journey. They will start working hard. They will start learning English. They will start speaking English. But the people who don't have so much passion, the people who are not ambitious, the people who don't have desire, burning desire, so they will say yes to the weaker one, and they will say like, oh, okay, we have time, we have time, and we can sleep a little more, and they sleep for a little time. But they don't even imagine that how long they can sleep. There are chances that they can sleep more than half hour, more than 1 hour, and there is no an specific time of your sleeping, how long you may sleep. Okay, so this challenge only for those people who really want to learn English language, but they don't wake up early in the morning. So it will prove, this challenge will prove that how badly do you want it. if you really want to learn English language and you are not waking up early in the morning, but you really want to learn English language, so it will prove, this challenge will prove that how badly do you want it. Do you really want to learn English language? So my friend, if you really want to learn English language and you are not waking up early in the morning, so this challenge is only for you. Okay, set the alarm and just try to face this challenge, try to accept this challenge, and let's see what happens. Are you able to wake up early in the morning, and are you able to just chase your goal? Let's see. I mean, in this way you can see that how badly do you want it. Okay, do you really want to learn English language or not? And if I talk about those people who are already doing it, who are already waking up early in the morning, and they are just chasing their dreams, they are just following their method, they are just maintaining their consistency, and they are disciplined and they are working hard every single day. For those people, I have another one. You know what, it is very easy that we are learning English language with the help of the social media. So many people are learning English language with the help of the social media, and so many people who are studying even all the things with the help of the social media, right? So sometimes what happens, our mind distracts by the social media. So my friends, just try to avoid watching status again and again. Try to avoid using your Instagram again and again. Try to avoid using Facebook again and again. Just, I mean, try to avoid these kind of things and just focus on your studies, focus on your learning. Okay, whatever you are learning, just learning, keep doing, keep working hard, and after some time you will see the change. You will see the change, that you are able to control your mind, you are able to understand that what you want to do and what you do not want to do. I mean, after some time you will be capable to understand, you will be capable to control yourself. Okay, you will be chasing your dreams, you will be completing your task, you will be working hard, and you will be achieving your goals, you know. So my friend, just try to avoid using social media too much, and just work hard every single day, keep learning, keep speaking, and in the end of the day you will be able to speak English language. Okay, so my friend, just try to avoid these things, try to avoid going every party, try to avoid going every celebration, try to avoid going every event, you know, and try to avoid using social media too much, and just achieve your fluency, achieve your goal. Just learn English language, keep learning, keep speaking, don't break the consistency. Okay, if you really want to learn English language. So this is what I wanted to share with you. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thank you for watching.